can't really recommend using this to clean your rollers, but it's not safe. And if you go online, everyone says not to, but you gotta see how well it works. So this is the one I just did. I had to do a little bit over there. Alright, so we're gonna wrap this up by waxing the bed. Hopefully that'll help keep things moving. So we'll put a nice coat on now. And we'll wait a little while and then buff it out with a clean cloth. And that should help out a lot with the hesitation of the wood going through that's been happening. So between the rollers, the waxing, and replacing the circuit from tripping all the time, that's been doing that for years. It was good in the beginning, and it just got worse and worse. I just figured it was a material or something like that, but after reading online, it looks like once it starts tripping, it's going to happen more and more and more. So I think I paid less than $10 for that switch. Yeah, eReplacementParts.com. I think I've ordered a few things from them for other tools. Pretty quick shipping, took a couple days. Installation was a pain, aside from what everybody online says. But that's the way that goes. So we'll let this cure for about 10 minutes and I'll wipe it off. And the wax I used on there was just a plain min wax, finishing wax, paste wax. You can use any paste wax. I use min wax for almost everything, so I like their stuff, but you can use any kind of paste finishing wax. Just don't get it on the rubber rollers. It'll eat away at the rubber. So, but other than that, it'll buff out nice and be nice and smooth. Be ready for tomorrow.